Hi guys, it's me. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. So today we are doing something very special. It's the Juneteenth YouTube showcase. So every hour there will be a new African American artist that you can watch and view one of their wonderful projects. So this is a super fun collaboration. I hope that you check out all the videos and I hope that you celebrate Juneteenth. Juneteenth is traditionally celebrated on 6/19, so June 19th, and it's a celebration for when the slaves were actually freed, right? Because Abraham Lincoln did free the slaves, but it took a long time for that message, for whatever reason, to get to all of America. So it was a celebration that was done in Texas to celebrate the fact that they were free. So in this video I made a painting and I used the words freedom. I had a total different idea for this project, but this is kind of what came to me as I was working. So this is what I made. So I hope you enjoy it. Make sure that you check out all the artists. One will be released every hour on this entire day, which is very special, and they're really amazing artists. You're going to be very surprised about how many amazing African American artists there are on YouTube and how, we don't get to see them. I was super surprised by how many wonderful artists are out there that I have not followed and that I didn't know anything about. So I hope that you're pleasantly surprised. Also, I will have a print available of this painting, so you can go check that out. It will be linked below in this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day and happy Juneteenth. Bye bye. Hi guys, so I just wanted to add it that I live in Colorado and we've had the Juneteenth, it's kind of like a festival and like a parade every year since I was little, and my mom took us there, and we've got to go to the African American Arts Festival and lots of festivals to celebrate lots of different cultures. But I just remember what a powerful experience it always was every year for me to go there, and how super important this day was for me personally, because it's just great to just celebrate the fact that my ancestors were able to be free, and that they went through all of these struggles, but they overcame, and and they left just a beautiful legacy to this country, and for their children, and for just for this entire nation. So I really hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that you do more research on this holiday and more African American holidays. There's a ton of them, and they're really rich and a really beautiful experience. And I know that we can't celebrate Juneteenth because of the coronavirus now, but definitely in the future, take your kids, to these kinds of festivals, and just experience just these beautiful, rich celebrations. So I'm done now. I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get back together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found, 'cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that you can relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song, pretty pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong, really really. So good when you came my way. You came it laughing almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love, baby. What we found, we know this is real. Everybody's looking at me and you, 'cause you can relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going, but We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, we saving our money. And we be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money, I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere, you know. I can take it anywhere, so call me by. They know you and me, not price. Come let me meet my family. We about to throw up. We about to throw one. They know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know. Let me meet my family. Come on, I can take it anywhere, so call me by. They know you and me, not price. Baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through, so baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. You thought you left me in the desert to die. A sip of water and I came back to life. Bet your money that I'll always survive. Just watch how I push through the rocks.